Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the basics: an account, payment method, and location enabled. Now open the Hero Service app and sign in. Once done, grant location and notification permissions so providers can find you and updates arrive in real time. Make sure your payment method is active. The app pre-authorizes a small amount to confirm it works. Tap the main action button to start a new request and choose your service category. This first move kicks the process into motion and saves time. You now choose what you need and why it matters. Select the exact service and any sub-options so the provider brings proper tools. Once you pick date and time, use the scheduling slider or request ASAP to get the earliest slot. Add clear notes, entrance codes, photos, or preferences because specific instructions cut back and forth time. Then choose provider level, check the ETA, and apply a promo if available. These steps define cost and expected arrival. So confirm before you continue. You finish by confirming the booking and authorizing payment. The receipt is sent automatically. Track the provider live, meet them, and inspect the completed work before closing the job. After service, leave a rating and tip to reward good performance and help future matches. If something goes wrong, the provider is late or location is wrong, open the in-app chat or call support, restart your phone's GPS, and, if needed, cancel and rebook. That single troubleshooting step resolves most hiccups fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.